Calm is a hugely popular meditation app, but it's primarily audio content. Yet YouTube, a video platform, is one of their biggest social media channels, driving over half of their social traffic. Calm's videos have over 133 million views, and their channel has over 800,000 subscribers. So how did Calm harness the power of video, and what can you learn from their zero-click strategy to apply to your own content? Let's explore. So here's what we'll cover in this video: how Calm turned existing content into tools, their video SEO strategy, some missed opportunities they could take advantage of, and lastly, how you can apply their tactics to your own SEO. So let's start off with their videos. If we look at the channel, the most popular videos are all around utility. They basically turn their audio into tools. We can group this into three categories. Their number one category, which also has the number one video, are sleep sounds. The number one video is an 8-hour video of rainstorm sounds with over 32 million views. This video is a tool to help people sleep and relax. The comments are full of people that say they're grateful that the video exists and it doesn't have ads, and they say they use it every night to go to bed. There's also a thunderstorm white noise video that has 3 million views. Second popular category videos, sleep stories. These are 20 to 30 minute stories with a narrator with a slow, deep, soothing voice that gradually gets softer and slower to help put you to sleep. I love these stories. I listen to the Trans-Siberian Railroad story every time I'm on a red-eye flight. I'm trying to get some rest. And their third most popular video category is meditation, specifically 10-minute meditations. 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation is their second most popular video with 17 million views.
Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head and scalp, feeling whatever's happening in this area.
Now, there are also a few other types of videos as tools on the channel, like breathing exercises and a 30-minute body scan, but sleep and meditation are overwhelmingly the most popular. They are also content taken directly from the app. So in a way, this is a free trialification of the app without having to download it. A normal sales flow would be get people to download the app, offer some free content and a free trial, get them to convert to a paid user. YouTube adds a layer before that to help people discover and use the content without having to download anything. We'll talk more about converting them into users in a moment. Now, the smart thing about these videos is they address specific problems people are searching for and have nothing to do with Calm specifically. They're all top of funnel keywords, which are great for people discovering your channel or your brand. And this is key to a strong video SEO strategy: getting people who are unaware of your brand to discover you. So let's take a look. Rainstorm sounds, their number one video, is the number one result on Google when you search for sleep sounds, which gets 31,000 searches a month, and is a top 3 result for rain sounds, which gets 72,000 searches a month. The 10-minute mindfulness meditation video is number 1 for 10-minute meditation and meditation YouTube. And it's the number 4 result for just the word meditation, which gets 111,000 searches a month. So the videos get massive amounts of traffic from Google and YouTube search. Let's see how they convert them to users. So the videos themselves are quite basic since they're based on audio. The backgrounds are stock videos of nature that you could get anywhere. There's very basic, simple Calm branding. They just have their logo on the corner. And then right at the top of the description is a call to action to check out Calm. That's it. Simple, but even if a small percentage of people click, it's still a lot of traffic that is completely free and continues to work for them for a long time. Now, I do want to point out a moment of appreciation for the Nordland Night Train sleep story. It looks like it's a simple stock photo, but it's very slowly panning up. So by the time you reach the end of the video, you've arrived up into the night sky, where you are hopefully asleep. I also want to point out that these videos are what Amanda Natividad from SparkToro calls zero-click content. They're not a teaser for what you could get if you had the app or a trailer for a longer video. The videos themselves, they are extremely useful and complete in and of themselves. Calm has trailers for other programs that they offer, and they haven't done nearly as well as these other videos have, the meditation videos, the sleep sound videos. So we talked about all the cool things Calm is doing on their channel. Now here's some of my unsolicited advice on what I think they could leverage better. We got 3 things. First one, an easy one, they're not using pinned comments on their videos. This is another easy, great spot to put call to actions or highlight important info. Just put a comment, pin it at the top, people see it. Second, they can leverage their celebrities better. Calm has partnerships with huge, massive celebrities like LeBron James and Harry Styles. You'll notice that none of the top videos that I mentioned have anything to do with any celebrities. The highest one is a 30-second LeBron James trailer for The Importance of Sleep, not really a utility video. And all of the LeBron James videos they posted on YouTube are only 30 seconds. If they have published any of his audio courses that they're offering on the app that they want you to pay for, that would easily be one of their top 5 videos. Now, if we look at Calm's main competitor, Headspace, they have a successful example on their channel of how they leveraged some of their celebrity partnerships with their partnership with Star Wars. So they created a short Star Wars video series for kids and published it in full on their YouTube channel. That series has over 1 million views. Same with Calm's celebrity sleep stories. The only thing that they have published are trailers. I would say you should just publish at least one full-length celebrity sleep story to get a lot of traction. And lastly, music. Focus and relaxation music is another one of Calm's offerings, and it's not that well known. They even have an exclusive album with Moby that you can only listen to if you're a member on the Calm app. Music is obviously huge on YouTube. Just look at how much the internet blew up when Lo-Fi Girl stream went down. All I could find on Calm's channel was just one single song. On their app, they have tons of focus music, relaxation music. I would say just publish one of those albums, make it a 60-minute video of just relaxation music or focus music from around focusing. It'll be a huge driver of views and a new discovery category for people to find Calm YouTube channel. All right, we have reached the end. Let's recap some of the tactics that Calm used and how you can apply it to your own content. What do you already have that you can repurpose into video? There isn't really anything original on Calm's channel. It's all basically a free trialification of a few things from their app, pulled and converted into videos very simply. This is a model that also worked well for any other type of training program like fitness programs or online courses. Publish some full lessons for free to get attention and then convert those to paid users. But you don't need to have an existing library of audio or video content to do this. This could be blog posts, Twitter threads, original research that gets turned into video. Check out our other video for more on content repurposing and changing your existing stuff into videos. Number 2, what problems or jobs to be done are people searching for? Calm has built all of their videos and tools around search terms around meditation, reducing anxiety, sleep sounds. Look for keywords around problems in your niche and build tools and content around that. And number 3, what tools or utility can you provide to solve those problems? Tutorials and how-to videos are an easy one, but get creative. Calm has tons of tutorials and introductions to meditation, but they don't come anywhere close to the utility videos of sleep sounds and meditation sessions. And keep the zero-click content principle in mind. Deliver value in the video, don't use it as a teaser to something else. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts about Calm's video SEO down in the comments below. If you found this video valuable and would like more videos like it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more on Calm's SEO as a whole, not just a video, check out some of the links we have in the description below to some other articles and really good Twitter threads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.